Uh, Hello, students. I hope that you are in safe position at your place due to the coronavirus. Our school management has decided to learn mathematics and other subject as well online. So we are preparing the video for mathematics for class 6, chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Knowing Your Numbers. So I have a e-copy of the NCERT book for class 7. So you have to take the physical book or either, or you have to take the uh, download copy of the NCERT book and you have to go through. So this is the 1.1, that is the introduction. So I am starting now. As per our methodology, I will go through line by line. I will explain on the board here. So I am going. So 1.1 introduction. Counting things is easy for us now. We can count objects in large numbers. For example, the number of students in the school and represent them through numerals. We can also communicate large numbers using suitable number names, fractions, and integers. It is not as if we always knew how to convey large quantities in conversation or through symbols. Many thousands years ago, people knew only small numbers. Gradually, they learned how to handle larger numbers. They also learned how to express large numbers in symbols. All this came through collective efforts of human beings. Uh, their path was not easy. They struggled all along the way. In fact, the development of whole of mathematics can be understood this way. As human beings progressed, there was greater need for development of mathematics, and as a result, mathematics grew further and faster. We use numbers and know many things about them. Numbers helps us count concrete objects. They help us to say which collection of objects is bigger and arrange them in order, that is first, second, etc. Numbers are used in many different contexts and in many ways. Think about various situations where we use numbers. List 5 distinct situations in which numbers are used. We enjoyed working with numbers in our previous classes. We have added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided them. We also looked for patterns in number sequence and done many other interesting things with numbers. In this chapter, we shall move forward on such interesting things with a bit of review and revision as well. 1.2, comparing numbers. As we have done quite a lot of this earlier, let us see if we remember which is the greatest among these. So we now know the numbers answers. Discuss which with discuss with your friends how you find the number that is the greatest. Can you instantly find the greatest and the smallest number in each row? 18 is the smallest. 59785 is the greatest. Likewise, downside number 2, 3, 4 is there. What was that easy? Why was it easy? We just looked at the numbers of the digits and found the answer. The greatest number has the most thousands and the smallest is only in hundreds or in tens. Make 5 more problems on this kind and give to your friend to solve. Now, how do we compare 4875 and 3542?